TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I wanted to quickly get this one out so we won't waste a lot of time on it because it is paying fairly well, and it is non-phone based where you're just listening to those phone calls and giving your feedback and grading them. We've all probably heard of the real estate company Zillow. They have 1,900 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.0 out of 5-star rating. Of course, if you like job leads like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. But Zillow has smaller startup companies under them. Zillow itself has a company called Aryeo, A-R-Y-E-O. I'm not sure if I am saying that correctly, but they are looking for a quality assurance specialist to work remote from the United States for the startup company under Zillow. Now, they're specifically looking for somebody to join their team as a QA specialist, evaluating and scoring interactions between those team members, specifically the customer service and the customers, to make sure that that excellent service delivery and adherence to the quality standard guidelines is being done. You may also have to act as a trainer for new hires. But this means you're basically going to be listening to those phone calls and evaluating and scoring those interactions between those customers and team members. Above listening to those phone calls, you might have to read the emails and chat conversations and score those as well. So if you have great customer service skills, this might be somewhere you can shine without having to talk to the customers on the phone. You listen to those interactions that happened, you give your feedback and score them on a grading rubric. You're going to implement and follow standardized evaluation criteria, so they're going to give you a scorecard to kind of go by. You'll have to help identify areas of improvement for that customer service rep, giving them actionable feedback and highlighting both their strengths and weaknesses and areas for improvement and development. Now, you'll have to prepare reports on your findings, including any trends or areas that require attention. Now, pay for this position is going to be dependent on location and experience, but ranges anywhere from $28.10 an hour all the way up to $44.90 an hour. Best of all, they don't require any kind of college degree. They say it is not even required that you have experience as a QA specialist. It's helpful, but not required. They do need somebody who has strong understanding of customer service practices and principles, someone who has great critical thinking skills, great attention to detail, and great communication skills. Above that, you do have to know how to work with a computer with evaluation tools, specifically those Microsoft Office like Word, Excel, and Outlook. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.